Hello guys, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen, and in this video I'm going to give you an advice which might be helpful for you if you are owning your website or your business in WordPress. This is the common issue that I have seen most of the time with my new clients is that they are using outdated plugins in their WordPress. And when I ask them like why you are using outdated plugins, most of the time they says,
My site is working totally fine. Why should I update this plugin?
or some of them says,
If I will update this plugin, my site could get down. So I'm not updating them.
which is okay in one sense but not a complete solution. A outdated plugin not only keep you away from a few bug fixes or few new feature of the plugin, but also it can cause hacking issues in your site. Sometimes several of you guys have faced this situation maybe where your customer are saying that your site is redirecting to some other website, and sometime your server has reported you about some malware issues in your website. Those issues most of the time are caused by outdated plugins or themes like this. If you're using outdated plugins or themes in your WordPress website, it might cause these issues. These are the common cause, but the major cause is your website can permanently get hacked or your user or customer data in the website get compromised. So always be aware of such updates and even WordPress update. And most of the time you can even see it here, like what has been included in this update. As you can see, you can go over this link and check the things. Here you can see like what has been included in this latest update. So my advice is always go for update, and if any issue arise in your website, tell your developer to fix them, because using outdated plugin is not a good solution. Use updated plugin. So that's it for today guys. If you like this advice, please hit the like button and mention in the comment section what issues you have faced because of using outdated plugin in your WordPress website. Also guys, we provide support for WordPress development and designing and continuous maintenance of your WordPress website. So you can contact us at buddydevelopers@gmail.com, or you can go to our site buddydevelopers.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.